Hello and welcome to this series where we will be making a JavaScript game, which is the Chess Battle City. In this series, I will be walking through the steps of making a canvas game in general and about this game in specific, the logic behind, and my ideas on how to make a code that will ease your coding. I'll make this introduction brief as possible. For disclosure, I have started working on this project about a week ago. I have seen a lot of GitHub repositories, but this one did me a huge favor. I spent a whole day refactoring to ECMAScript 6 in the intention to first make a second player enabled. Then I thought about this game and here we are. I have also seen many YouTube tutorials about JavaScript canvas and ECMAScript coding. I would recommend watching this series. It helped a lot. Um, it is about Super Mario Bros. In JavaScript. Now back to our project. At this point, I have the setup done, loading images and two scenes available. The one that is the introductory and the sandbox scene, which only for testing now. I can see the selected image, the selected tank, which uh, which which positions are available to walk through. For now, I don't distinguish between tanks, but I have added two on the sandbox scene for now. I have prepared 5 levels for the tanks. My folder contained for now, after about 8 days of work, 5 folders and one the main. I'm using ECMAScript 6, so I will be only loading my main JavaScript as a module type, and the global, which will be easier to load instead of importing it in all of the files. I spent also time in preparing the sprites as a single image PNG to import it. I did not work on the sounds for yet, but mostly I have the controls ready, keyboard and input to handle pressed keys. I added also controls that if we want to open on mobile, we can click on the buttons and the behavior would be the same as if we are playing on Windows. We have 4 buttons for now. X will be selected. Also, we can also add another set of buttons later on if we need it, so, or anything. Would be the conclude of this session. It may be hard. I even think that making these videos would be harder than coding the actual game, but I will try my best to keep things here simple and deliver beneficial information in uh, the shortest period of time possible. I won't make this. I won't be like coding on the video, but like making a summary of every day what I have done, trying to just deliver the conclusion of the day. Till we meet again, stay safe, take care, and good night. Thanks for watching.